Sometimes you feel grounded, level-headed, like everything's running smoothly. Then the next minute you can feel like you're on high alert, you can feel your heart rate rising, and then after that you can feel a little bit numb and shut down. This is human behavior, and I'm here to talk to you about polyvagal theory and how this theory can help you understand what's going on in your brain and body when things happen in life. Dr. Stephen Porges describes this as neuroception, the body constantly scanning for danger. And this is something we do human being to human being whenever we meet someone. This is why we're constantly making that assessment, deciding whether that person feels safe or not. It can be that impression that you get firsthand of someone that you initially meet and you feel like you don't like them. That's because your nervous system has told you that person isn't safe. So your nervous system is doing exactly what it was wired to do, moving you from places of social interaction to immobilization and to mobilization, not necessarily in that order. To help you understand this, let's take a look at my life 10 years ago. A typical day. I have a shift at work and I'm driving to work. The windows are down, the sun is shining, my favorite tune is playing, and I am singing my heart out, feeling great. I meet my friend at work, we have a coffee, we start the day feeling calm and relaxed. So this is me, happy on my own, and this is me in a state of healthy co-regulation in my safe and social state. So fast forward 10 minutes and we get a high priority 999 call. We get information coming through that there's multiple casualties, that it's a high risk environment, there's a threat to us as well as the general public, and straight away our bodies go into high alert. We've moved into fight and flight, the ventral vagal state. Our hearts are racing, we're feeling tense in the body, and we're getting ready for a threat that's coming towards us. Even though we're used to this and we know what to do, we're still feeling a little bit threatened by what's going on. And this is a little bit to the extreme. We don't necessarily have to be going on a 999 call. It could be a full email box, or it could be the news that we're switching on throughout the day. It could be an argument that we've had with someone. These kind of episodes can push us into that ventral vagal state. Later on, I go home. I'm in a narcissistic relationship and I have a conversation with my ex-partner who makes me feel really small. So this is me here, feeling numb, sad, disconnected. I'm in a state of functional freeze. I'm still able to prepare a meal and get everything ready for the next day, but I'm not right. I'm in dorsal vagal state, which is a state when you are shut down. When fight or flight isn't available, the body says, okay, let's shut down, and it goes completely numb. This is your body's way of protecting itself. If you've ever been told to just calm down, be strong, cheer up, while your nervous system is spiraling, this can feel so irritating. Because you can't think your way out of survival mode, you have to feel your way out of it. And this is where somatic practices can really help. Move yourself into a place of emotional regulation after spending too much time in fight and flight, ventral vagal, or in dorsal vagal state. So how can we shift our way back into a state of emotional regulation? First of all, we can try cold water therapy, and this doesn't necessarily mean having a stone cold shower. You could start with a bowl that's full of ice and dip your face into that. This will stimulate your vagus nerve. Somatic practices, holding your arms, rubbing your arms up and down, giving yourself a pat, and even telling yourself that you're okay, that you've got this. Take your hand onto the back of your neck and gently press. You're not pressing too hard. You're just gently feeling into the back of the neck where the vagus nerve begins from the brainstem. Another somatic practice which is helpful, hold on to the back where the kidneys are, and to do the same, to gently press. You're not pressing too hard, you're just massaging into the adrenal glands, into the kidneys, and telling yourself you don't have to work hard now, you're safe, everything is okay, I've got you. Something else that's very helpful is humming bee breath. You can take your hands over your ears, your fingers over your eyes, or you can do Same practice stimulates the vagus nerve. Tuning in to gratitude, journaling, writing down all the good things that have happened during the day, tuning into the simple things in life and feeling grateful for those. And then finally, co-regulation. We crave connection as human beings. So when you can tune into another human being who loves you just the way you are, who doesn't want you to change, who listens when you talk, who understands you, then this is probably one of the most effective ways to balance your nervous system. Your body doesn't need fixing. It's already working. It's been protecting you for years. And with the right tools, with vagus nerve stimulation, somatic practice, and with understanding, self-compassion, safe connection, you can shift from rest to regulate and to rise. If this video speaks to you, subscribe and walk this path with me.